Powerful bass. Soundcore P25i true wireless earbuds have oversized 10mm drivers that deliver powerful sound with boosted bass so you can lose yourself in your favorite songs. Personalized listening experience. Use the Soundcore app to customize the controls and choose from 22 EQ presets or use white noise for improving focus. Long playtime, fast charging. Get 10 hours of battery life on a single charge with a case that extends it to 30 hours. If P25i true wireless earbuds are low on power, a quick 10-minute charge will give you 2 hours of playtime. AI-enhanced clear calls. 2 built-in mics and an AI algorithm work together to pick up your voice so that you never have to shout over the phone. IPX5 water resistant. Wear Soundcore P25i true wireless earbuds during workouts or even in the rain. They are protected against splashes of water, so you can keep playing in any condition. Portable on-the-go design. Soundcore P25i true wireless earbuds and the charging case are compact and lightweight with a lanyard attached. It's small enough to slip in your pocket, or clip on your bag or keys so you never worry about space. With Find My Earbuds, a lost earbud can emit noise to help you locate it. Keep your earbuds on you at all times with a portable case and lanyard. Small enough to slip in your pocket, clip on your bag or keys. 10mm oversized drivers. Big drivers deliver detailed sound with powerful bass. 22 EQ presets. Use the Soundcore app to pick a preset that works best with what you're listening to. Compact and comfortable. Soundcore P25i true wireless earbuds have a small and lightweight fit. The compact charging case easily fits in small pockets and bags. Extended playtime. Enjoy 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. The charging case holds up to 30 hours of extra power, so you can top up your earbuds on the go. AI-enhanced clear calls. Be heard clearly thanks to Soundcore P20i's 2 built-in microphones with AI-enhanced voice pickup. Fast charging. A speedy 10-minute charge of your Soundcore P25i true wireless earbuds gives you 2 hours of playtime. One-step pairing. When you're first setting up, just open the case, take Soundcore P25i true wireless earbuds out, and they will be ready to pair. After that, the earbuds will automatically connect to the last paired device whenever you take them out. Single earbud mode. Want more awareness of your surroundings or to extend playtime even further? Simply remove one of the earbuds from the charging case, and the earbud will enter single earbud mode.